Housing girl.
Because I want to become a part of law enforcement agency, specifically PNP or SOCO. Furthermore, I also want to become an instrument which is our fellow Filipino citizens can rely on whenever they suffer.
Malapit ka na.
And lastly, I am also
Kanino ka
curious
sunod?
about how the law works, and such as the penalties or imprisonment.
As tao.
My hobbies are watching Korean dramas, Japanese dramas, Chinese dramas, and I also love crafting.
Siguro idol mo yun.
Ah?